Started the video a little late, but today I'm taking out this old, torn up headliner. I've already got the sun visors off. They're already off. It's just 2 screws. Take those out, take those out, and they come right out. Never taken a headliner down before, so I'm not really sure what all is involved. Looks like I gotta take a screw out right there to take that off. I know these have to come off on both sides. That door will open up, but I think I gotta take down all this weather stripping here. And the seat belts have to come off right there. So it'll be time consuming. I got some headliner material coming in, should be in tomorrow, and then we'll finish up by putting it on. All right, got the dome light out. I don't know if anybody else has seen this before, but this truck, it is a 1999. It's got 319,000 miles on it. A lot of the doors opening and closing, and sometimes staying open for a while. Look at that. That light gets so hot, it actually starts burning the plastic. So I think I'm gonna like maybe get some tinfoil or something to some type of protectant to protect it from all that heat. So anyway, gotta take the seat belts off, gotta take that clip off. These are gonna have to move, so I'm gonna have to take these seat belts off here. That one, gotta take that panel off. That panel's already off. I mean, it's already starting to want to come down. It's gonna be really easy. So then we just gotta wait for the material to come in tomorrow, and hopefully that goes well. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. The hardest part was trying to figure out how to get out of the truck. But look at this, man. I mean, it's bad. It's really bad. I've already started taking off some of this stuff. This is so fragile and it rips so easy. But anyway, looking at it, it's like, you know, this, I don't think this is a Ford one. Like a factory Ford. Huh. 10/16/98. Yeah, I guess it is. Came in today. I ironed it, so that's why there's a couple of wet spots, because my iron's kind of messed up since I dropped it a couple of times, and now it leaks a little bit, but it's ironed, it's fine. A little water don't hurt nothing. Got the headliner out here, getting ready to spray some glue on it, some really strong adhesive glue, and put that on there, and then we're gonna let it dry and put it in the truck. So we're gonna see how well this is actually gonna work for the first time ever doing a headliner. Fingers crossed. Better than what I thought. Obviously I'm gonna have to clean up some of it, because I mean, it's got some debris from doing all of this stuff. So that'll come, all this stuff will come off fine. I'm just gonna vacuum it real quick. But it came out fine. This is where the seat belt's gonna go on both sides. So I had to make that cut. That's where the light goes, and this is where like a little hook goes on both sides. There you can see the other hole. But all in all, I mean, it looks good. So I'm gonna clean it up. You ready to put it in the truck? I say that is not bad, especially for the first time I ever done this. And it's, I mean, the material matches pretty well, to be honest. That's Amazon. I paid 50 bucks for this. And I think it's worth it. It wasn't too bad. So now I think the next thing I'm gonna do, it's gonna be a little bit, is paint. Because yeah. And that's all over the truck. So a little bit of rust. But this project is coming along slowly but surely. So until next time, see y'all later.